Personal stories of 4 water wader birds. Cypress Wetlands Rookery, Port Royal, South Carolina. Cypress Wetlands Rookery, Richmond, Ave.View. Personal stories of 4 water wader birds. The Great Egret's flight to its food source. Great egrets wade in shallow water, both fresh and salt, to hunt fish, frogs, and other small aquatic animals. They typically stand still and watch for unsuspecting prey to pass by, then, with startling speed, the egrets strike with a jab of their long neck and bill. When wood stork's chicks begin to hatch, they must continuously add material to the nest until the chicks fledge. As the chicks grow, the male collects green leaves or cypress twigs to line the nest. This serves as insulation for the chicks. The tricolored heron is a sleek and slender heron adorned in blue-gray, lavender, and white. The white stripe down the middle of its sinuous neck and its white belly set it apart from other dark herons. Coastal estuaries are a great place to look for tricolored herons year-round. They tend to feed alone or at the edge of groups of other waders, so be sure to look at the lone dark bird in the corner. Tricolored herons forage for small fish such as top minnows and killifishes in open or semi-open brackish wetlands. They are skilled at stalking, chasing, and standing and waiting to capture small fish. Both great egrets with up to 4 chicks must spend many hours caring for the chicks and hunting for nutrition. Out for the hunt. In with the nutrition. In a mixed colony of water-wading birds' nests are close. This stately heron with its subtle blue-gray plumage often stands motionless as it scans for prey or wades belly deep with long, deliberate steps. They may move slowly, but great blue herons can strike like lightning to grab a fish or snap up a fish, amphibians, reptiles, small mammals, or insects.
my thoughts, and my head is up like a tattoo.
Male great blue herons collect much of the nest material, gathering sticks from the ground and nearby shrubs and trees. The female weaves a platform in a saucer-shaped nest cup, lining it with pine needles, moss, reeds, dry grass, mangrove leaves, or small twigs. The greenery lines the nest cup, and the guano, bird droppings, dries to form a semi-solid layer that further strengthens the nest's framework. Wood storks are social birds that forage in groups and nest in colonies. Small groups of storks forage in wetlands, frequently following each other one by one in a line. Wood storks fill the sky over the rookery, transporting nest materials and nutrition for its chicks. Personal stories of 4 water-wader birds. Cypress Wetlands, Rookery, Richmond, Ave.View. Cypress Wetlands, Rookery, Port Royal, South Carolina.